Hey folks, I'm Pat Flynn and I want to show you a full body kettlebell conditioning workout. You're going to need one kettlebell and about 10 minutes. Let's get started. Okay folks, this kettlebell combo contains 3 exercises. We're going to do a 2-arm swing, a kettlebell crush curl, and a kettlebell crush push-up. The goal is to do each exercise back to back with little to no rest in between for 30 seconds continuously. Then you'll rest for 30 seconds. And the goal of the workout is to repeat that sequence for a total of 10 minutes. So you'll start with a 2-hand swing, after which you'll pop the kettlebell up into the goblet position and perform a standing crush curl. From there, you'll park the kettlebell back on the ground, step back or hop back, and perform a push-up on the kettlebell. Repeat this sequence for 30 seconds. Once 30 seconds is up, then do some form of active recovery. Don't sit down. Try jumping rope, hopping in place, or just simply shaking the tension out of your muscles. Once 30 seconds of rest has passed, return to the original sequence of exercises with the kettlebell and repeat 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off for 10 minutes. All right, my friends, there you have it, the kettlebell trifecta, a full body conditioning workout that will build strength, power, endurance, work capacity, you name it. And you only need a minimum amount of equipment and time to get it done. Good luck and enjoy.